Okay, everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare some lamb shoulder chops in our Ninja Foodi air fryer tender crisp. So I have me some lamb shoulder chops here. These are American lamb shoulder chops. For this one I paid $6 and some change for, and for the other one I paid $5 and like 55 cents for it. A lot of people don't really like them because they think that they're expensive for one, but I don't think that's a bad price. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get ready to prepare the lamb shoulder chops. I am going to season them with this garlic and herb seasoning dressing pack mix that I have. I found this at Walmart in the dressing aisle, and you can find it there too. Okay, we have some paprika by McCormick, just some regular paprika. We have some crushed rosemary, some black pepper. We are going to use some complete seasoning by Goya. It's total seasoning. It's very delicious, y'all, on all kinds of food. Okay, and we are going to use some mustard, any kind of prepared mustard, and we need some olive oil. Okay, so what I need to do is I am going to take my Ninja Foodi, as you can see here, my Ninja Foodi 3-in-1. Yes, you guys, this is a Ninja Foodi recipe. I am going to preheat it. First I turn it on and hit the tender crisp lid. Okay, and we want it to be at 390 degrees. Okay, and we are going to preheat it. So I turn it up to 45 degrees, and when it gets down to 35 or 30 minutes at 390 degrees, then I know it has heated up for 15 minutes, and that is when we will place our lamb shoulder chops in our Ninja Foodi 3-in-1 under our tender crisp lid. Okay, I am going to make sure that I use my rack that sets up high to get it closer to the tender crisp lid. Okay, if you want to, you can cook this on the bake roast setting, your lamb chops. And remember, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open these packs of lamb chops up, I'm gonna wash them off, and I am going to dry them off with a paper towel. Okay, I have washed my lamb shoulder chops off. Now I am going to dry them with a paper towel, as you can see that I am doing here, trying to get all that excess moisture out. Okay, and all you have to do is just get your paper towel and dab your lamb chops like so. Okay, now this one I'm going to cut in half. For some reason it seems like that fat is hanging off of there. Okay, so let me throw the paper towel away and rinse my hands off. You must always wash your hands when you're dealing with any type of meat, because you do not want to cross-contaminate your other items in your kitchen with different bacteria. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's make the seasoning sauce for our lamb shoulder chops. I am using some extra virgin olive oil. I am going to use about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I am going to use some mustard. I would say about 3 tablespoons of mustard. I'm going to use about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of black pepper, about 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and when it comes to the paprika, this is up to you. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. It is for color. Okay, now when we use our Goya seasoning, the complete seasoning, I am only going to use about 1 tablespoon of that as well. And I have my garlic and herb seasoning dressing pack. Okay, So I'm going to put all of these ingredients into this bowl, and I am going to mix the ingredients together, as you can see that I am doing here. Okay, now if you do not like these seasonings, you can use other seasonings in with the mustard and the olive oil. It's just that the mustard and the olive oil helps the seasoning to stick to the lamb shoulder chops better. Now I did add a little more olive oil because I saw that was kind of a little bit more thick than I like. Okay, so make sure that you mix that well together, well combined, you guys, because this is gonna go on our lamb shoulder chops. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the seasoning sauce that we made, and I'm going to mix it in with our lamb shoulder chops. Okay, so I have gloves on because it can get dirty, making sure that we massage that seasoning into our lamb shoulder chops. Okay, oh yeah, give it a good deep tissue massage, muscle massage. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Make those lamb shoulder chops feel good. Rub it in, rub it in. Make those lamb shoulder chops feel real good. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so we're rubbing it in, as you can see that I have done here. Okay, and I'm going to keep rubbing it in because I want to make sure that it is massaged in well. Okay, just keep going like I am until you get it covered all the way. Okay, now let's discard these gloves and let's get ready to place our lamb shoulder chops into our Ninja Foodi. Okay, now you're going to place each one into your Ninja Foodi. As you place it on your Ninja Foodi, you can hear the sizzle from where it was preheated. Okay, and this lets you know that it is warm to the degree that we needed it to be warm. Okay, now if you want medium rare lamb shoulder chops, you will only cook them for 15 minutes, about 8.5 minutes on each side in your Ninja Foodi under your tender crisp lid. Me, I'm cooking mine well done, so I'm gonna cook these for 10 minutes on each side, you guys. Okay, so now we are back after our first 10 minutes of cooking our lamb shoulder chops under our tender crisp lid in our Ninja Foodi air fryer. Look at that, you guys. This is how it looks after the first 10 minutes. As you can see that it is cooking very well. It has a nice color on it, and I wish you guys could smell these lamb shoulder chops in our Ninja Foodi 3-in-1 under the tender crisp lid. So I'm going to flip these over, and I'm going to cook these for about maybe 13 more minutes because we want to make sure it's 170 degrees for well done lamb shoulder chops in our Ninja Foodi. Okay, so now you guys, it's done. I'm checking my temperature of my lamb shoulder chops with my meat thermometer, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now that it was slightly over 170 degrees, so we know that it was well done lamb shoulder chops in our Ninja Foodi under our tender crisp lid. Okay, so that's what I got, exactly what I wanted. It smells delicious. I want you guys to see it. They look delicious, they smell delicious, and they are tasteful. They're not light. It would have been light if I may have used some different seasoning, but the seasonings that I chose gave it a dark color, and that's okay with me. If you choose different seasoning, you guys, you may end up with a lighter lamb chop. Okay, So make sure that you unplug your Ninja Foodi after every use. Turn it off, unplug it, as I'm doing so because it's here on my counter. So what I'm about to do now is I am going to try to cut one of these lamb chops open. You see how beautiful that is, you guys? Ooh-wee. I wish you guys could smell it with that mustard and the garlic and herb seasoning and the crushed rosemary, the black pepper. Okay, you guys, so let me cut it open. It's actually supposed to rest before you cut it, but because I'm recording, I want to go ahead and try to cut a piece so that you guys can see that it is well done and it's not too hard, and that it's edible. Okay, and that we did this in our Ninja Foodi. You can cook a lot of things in our Ninja Foodi. You guys see that? So remember, 390 degrees in your Ninja Foodi for 15 minutes for medium and 20 to 25 minutes for well done. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. I hope you hit that notification bell. And welcome to my channel if you're new, and stay in touch for another great video. We prepared some lamb chops in our Ninja Foodi under our tender, crisp lid. Hope you guys have a great day, and please try this wonderful recipe. Come again.